The Cruise-approved non-surge power strip with 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 3 AC outlets is designed as a compact and travel-friendly charging solution for users who need multiple devices powered at once without carrying several adapters. It focuses on convenience, portability, and efficient charging in a single organized unit, making it especially useful for travel, cruises, hotels, and everyday home or office use. One of the key highlights of this power strip is its cruise-approved non-surge design. This is important because many cruise lines restrict surge-protected devices for safety reasons. By offering a non-surge configuration, it becomes a practical choice for travelers who still want multiple charging options in one device without violating onboard electrical rules. The combination of 3 AC outlets and multiple USB ports makes it highly versatile. You can power standard electronics like laptops, lamps, or small appliances through the AC outlets while simultaneously charging phones, tablets, earbuds, and other USB-powered devices. The inclusion of both USB-C and USB-A ports ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern and older devices, reducing the need to carry separate chargers. Another major advantage is organization and space efficiency. Instead of dealing with tangled chargers and multiple wall adapters, this power strip allows you to consolidate everything into a single charging hub. This is especially useful in tight spaces like hotel rooms, dorm rooms, or cruise cabins, where outlet availability is often limited. The compact design makes it easy to pack in a suitcase or backpack without adding significant weight or bulk. This portability is a key benefit for frequent travelers who want a reliable power solution that can move with them. At home, it also works well as a desk or bedside charging station, helping reduce clutter while keeping devices within easy reach. Charging performance is focused on stable and practical output across multiple devices at once. While it is not designed for high-power fast charging of heavy electronics, it performs reliably for everyday devices that require consistent and safe power distribution. Overall, the Cruise-approved non-surge power strip with USB-C and USB ports is a highly practical charging solution for both travel and home use. It is best suited for users who need a compact, organized, and cruise-compliant way to charge multiple devices efficiently without carrying multiple adapters or dealing with outlet limitations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.